Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. We are on day 7 of 25 Christmas Countdown Craft-A-Long. And today is a tag elf themed. So, I asked Tammy if I could do gnomes. Elf/gnomes. And she's like, yeah, go right ahead. Because, this is just one of these things we're doing. We're just having fun with it. And then last night I was laying in bed thinking of today's creation. I usually don't plan these until the very moment, but I knew the last two, the Christmas song theme, which was yesterday, and elf theme is today. So I was kind of running it through my head, and I decided to go with elf theme. But I am going to do my elves, and I'm going to tell you the story behind my elves. So when Alley Cat was little, Elf on the Shelf was big, so Diamond got one. She never heard of it until a friend told her. So Diamond got one. Well, then Allie wanted to know why there wasn't an elf at my house watching her. So then we got Diamond had an extra one. It was just a plastic little weird looking dude. I thought he was weird. So I was at Michael's after Christmas one year, and he had these cute little elf ornaments on clearance, and I bought 3 of them. Because by that time, there was Riley, and Coda, and Allie. And these are what my elves look like. We call them Nana and Papa elves. That's why they don't look like the regular elf on the shelf. These are retired elves that still want to work, so they come to the grandparents' house, or Nana and Papa's house, to watch over them. So, we have Harry, Chloe, and Riley Roo. They named their own elves because they arrived one year with little notes saying hi and a little story I wrote. And I have it somewhere. It was really cute. Diamond helped me write it. How they're retired elves, the reason they don't look like Chippy, and the regular elves on the shelf, and that they only appear at Nana and Papa's when they know that they're coming to Nana and Papa's. And that they don't move as often. So just in case they're in the same spot that they were in when the last time they see them, because I have a tendency to forget to move them, that they just like that spot because they're retired elves, just assisting Santa. So I took a picture of them this morning, and that's what I'm going to work the card around. The little elves. So we're going to use my tags. And we're going to see, it's a dark kind of picture. So I think we're going to do a light, we're going to do a light tag today. There's 2 here. Yep, there is 2. Ooh, I like that one. So, elf on the shelf. So I'm going to just do a quick little border around it. Let's see, where? Ooh. Let's put paint pens away. Bear with me. I gotta get green. Put this. Christmas green. There it is. I put things away. And there goes the cover. I put things away. Alright. Okay. Alright. Sorry about that. Yeah. So we're just gonna do like a little prep it around the edge. I'm on. Want to hear the good news? So a while back, Scott and I went on our bed and breakfast train back in October. You guys remember that? And I had my watch. And I couldn't find my watch since me and Scott had been back. I even contacted them and they couldn't, because I thought I lost it up there. And I contacted the bed and breakfast and they looked and they said, no, we didn't find one in your room. So I thought, okay, I don't know. And Diamond did like the search, I guess you could do. We didn't have this, couldn't find it. So I have my nightstand, and behind my nightstand is a little bookshelf. And I was upstairs. I wasn't in my craft room late last night. I just had, the last 2 days, guys, have been kind of an off day for me. I didn't feel good. I actually feel really good today. I think I just needed sleep. So I wanted to get a book. Well, I couldn't reach a book because the bookshelf was in the front. So I moved the bookshelf, and there was my watch behind the book. I moved the nightstand to get to the bookshelf better. And behind the nightstand, there was my watch. I was so happy because Scott bought me this, and it's not cheap for an Apple Watch. And he didn't know. And I, okay, this is what's really funny. I never told Scott it was missing. He could figure out why I was so excited. I'm like, I thought I lost it. I told him. He just shakes his head at me. He's like, so you weren't? I said, yep, I wasn't mentioning it. Because I'm not, to have the price of a watch. I mean, it was not this like brand new year. It's new, but it was not that year that it came out, whatever. I don't know how you want to put that. It was brand new, but it's like last year's model. Okay, so this is like 2022s. It's not like 2023s or whatever. It's just whatever. So I didn't tell him. Not that I was scared, but I just didn't tell him. So I'm so happy. I found my watch, charged it up. He said he could, because we got watches after he had his heart attack, so we could keep track of our hearts or walking and all that, appointments. So we both got watches, and I got an Apple. He got something else. He wears his steady. I don't even hear. Really don't. We're gonna punch a hole. Oh, good. Okay. Let's get this. What's this one? Oh, that's cute. I'm just pulling random. Oh, ribbon out of this bag I have. Look at this bag. Random ribbon pieces. So instead of cutting off a new roll, I just been pulling out of this. Let's see. This one says Happy Holidays. That's cute. Yeah. Or what does it say? Holiday Happenings, not Happy Holidays. Sorry. Oh, let's see. It's a fun one here. Oh, this is cute. I keep pulling one. Oh, let's see if I can get this. Let's see if I can get this off. I really like that one, actually. Some things are already made and I just shoved in a bag, and so now I'm taking them apart. Got this little snowflake. And that one. And let's go with some red and some green. all the same size, so we'll leave them the way they are. Just cut this one down. Big. If I can get all this in that little hole, might be too much. I think it's going to be too much. Yeah. So let's just take the snowflake and the screen. The rest we'll put back in a bag. Yeah, should be good. Come on, green. There we go. I could have made the hole bigger, but with the tan, we'll just take these three. Lay them flat. Boom. I pinch it in the middle. Looks good. There we go. Got it through. Pull the screen back a little bit here. Okay. There we go. I'm just going to slowly pull. One at a time. Oh, I ripped it. Okay. An oopsie. Here we come. That's how I fix an oopsie. Can't believe I ripped it. I wasn't even pulling that hard. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to go right just below the oops. I'm just going to take my stapler and I'm going to staple. And then when I'm on the back, I'm going to staple it again. And right in between. Don't worry, you're not going to see that by the time I'm done. I know exactly what I'm looking for. Just have to find it. Dun, 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 dun. Yay, I found it. Back to that in a second. Oh, I smeared a little bit. Oh, just kind of fix them best as possible. Try this. So trying to figure out what I was gonna do. Hello, we are Harry, Chloe, Riley, Rue. We are Nana and Papa's elves. I'm gonna probably write how it come about, but you guys don't need to see me like that. I'm hoping my glue gun's hot enough. I turned it on. We're just gonna put that right there. Button it down. You could use the button, whatever. And then just put a couple cute little gems. And if they're different colors, there's a red one. There we go. There's another red up here. There. The green one. There we go. Best stuff. And there we go. That's my tag for today. It's my elves. Theme was elf. So I did elves. And the story behind it's cute. So thanks for watching, everybody. So go and see what Tammy made for her elf themed today tag. And I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind. What I mean by Tammy, I just realized my crafty styles, aka Tammy. Oh! Hey, I don't edit. Y'all know that. I've always wanted to learn to edit, but the more I hear about it, to me, it seems I don't think I want to do it. So, you're getting a real deal when you watch me. So, as always, ready? Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and have a good Merry Christmas, good holiday season, or whatever you celebrate in December. I hope it's wonderful and good and safe. Bye, everybody.